You're standing in the tool aisle holding a $15 bottle of rust remover, and you know in 6 months you'll be back buying another one. That's not because rust is unbeatable. It's because that spray only dissolves surface oxidation while leaving the metal underneath exposed to rust right back within weeks. There are 4 ways to strip rust completely and stop it from returning, and the cheapest one is a $2 powder sitting in your pantry right now. The oldest method dates back to the Roman Empire. Stay with me, because I'm walking through exactly what works and what's wasting your money. Rust remover brands profit from a repeat treatment model. Spray it on, watch it work for a season, buy another bottle when the rust creeps back, because most commercial formulas only address existing oxidation, not the metal's exposure to oxygen going forward. A single $2 ingredient handles both the removal and the prevention, which is exactly the kind of one-time fix a $2 billion rust removal industry has no reason to advertise. Fix 1. Citric acid powder, $2 for a bag that treats dozens of items. Mix 2 tablespoons citric acid powder into 1 cup hot water. Submerge the rusted item fully. Citric acid chelates iron oxide molecules, physically pulling them off the metal surface, a process documented in metallurgy studies since the 1950s. Leave it for 2 to 8 hours depending on rust severity, then scrub with a wire brush. Rinse and dry immediately. Wet metal rusts again within hours. Fix 2. White vinegar, $3 a gallon. Ancient Romans used fermented acetic acid for metal treatment as early as 100 BCE. Submerge the item fully in undiluted vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. The acetic acid dissolves iron oxide through a slower chemical reaction than citric acid, but works better on heavily corroded tools. Scrub with steel wool afterward, then coat immediately with a thin layer of oil to block new oxidation. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: skipping the oil coating step entirely. Bare metal exposed to humidity starts forming new rust within 24 to 48 hours, undoing every minute you just spent scrubbing. Fix 3. Baking soda paste, $1 for a box, best for surface rust and delicate tools. Mix 3 tablespoons baking soda with 1 tablespoon water into a thick paste, apply directly, let sit 20 minutes. The mild alkaline abrasive lifts light rust without the extended soak time citric acid or vinegar need, making it ideal for kitchen knives and small hand tools you need back in service fast. Fix 4. Potato and dish soap, technically free if you've already got both. Cut a potato in half, coat the cut side in dish soap, scrub directly onto rusted metal. Oxalic acid naturally present in potatoes reacts with iron oxide in a process similar to commercial rust converters, breaking the bond between rust and metal within 5 to 10 minutes of scrubbing on light surface rust. Total materials cost across all 4 methods, under $6 combined, treating virtually any rusted tool, hinge, or outdoor fixture you own. None of these methods reverse deep structural rust that's already eaten through metal. That requires replacement, not treatment. These also won't prevent rust permanently without a follow-up oil or wax coating every few months on outdoor tools exposed to rain. $6 total for 4 rust removal methods versus $15 to $20 per bottle of commercial spray you'll rebuy every few months. If this saved you a trip to the hardware store, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe if you want more of these swaps. Drop a comment telling me what's rusting in your garage right now and which method you're trying first. Stay sharp out there.